guys, today I have a video and the video is gonna be about these squishy egg balls. So it's actually very squishy. Look at that. Blah, blah. This is golden pig. It's an egg, and this is the type of eyeball. And so when it's splat, it just splats on the floor. So let's see how good does it do. I'm gonna first start with the eyeballs. Okay, that was easy. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Okay, slowly. Okay, so this is the eyeball. I'm gonna throw it. 3, 2, 1. Do you see that? One more time. This is very addicting now. Look at that. And I'm gonna throw it as hard as possible onto the ground. Perfect. So it works and it's really squishy. As a kid growing up, I bought this a lot, so I have memory of using them. So now let's see about this eggy thingy. Oh, that's hard. Use parent supervision while using scissors. So cut the corner. Just walk your way through. I love the eggs, mostly the eggs. So trick shot. So I can fit cutting it. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. This is amazing. Every kid should have this, but I feel sad if you don't. Now let's move on to the pig. I think the pig one is going to be super hilarious. Oh! Okay, no damage. Oh no! No honey, no! Only one ear flops up and the other one does not. Look at that. That's like a stupid pig. Because it is. Okay, now golden piggy. Now let's throw it on the floor. Okay, this is only $10, all three, so I shouldn't be throwing them that hard against the ground. Perfect. Now let's put all the three together and throw them. So the eyeball is, I would go for the piggy to be the most squishiest and the most stretchiest. The eyeball would be the last and the egg would be the second. Now I'm going to throw the egg again. So it separates this much around here. I'm going to throw the pig now. So it goes like this much on here. Look at the big nose stuck to the ground. Goldie. Okay. This goes like this much. That's a lot. So eyeball, egg, clear, pig with something sticking out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and hope you have one of these. If you have, post it and send it to me. So bye.